Angle X.
Angle X, yes. And angle B should be equal. What يا Adam?
Y.
Y. And then C with Z. D with F. Then, as I said, to talk about similar polygon, so we have to verify how many conditions? How many conditions? Two conditions, right? The first condition is each two corresponding angles are equal and measure. Like as I said, angle A with angle X, they should have the same measure. What about each two corresponding sides? Corresponding sides are proportional. Then if I have AB equal 8 centimeter and XY equal 4 centimeter, and this side equal 6, so this side should be equal 3. So the ratio between AB and XY, it will be 8/4, right? Then I have a ratio in
Yes.
simplest form equal to, and then the ratio between BC and YZ, 6 divided by 3. Then they are proportional because we have the same ratio. And I said for the polygon, we have to verify the two conditions. But in triangle, we want only sorry, one condition to verify that the two triangles are similar. Like what? Like angle, to prove that they are similar. So in case I have two triangles now, XYZ, and we have angle A congruent with angle X, angle Y congruent with angle B. Is this enough to prove that those two triangles are similar? Angle A with X, angle B with Y. Then we can use this case to prove that the two triangles are similar by using angle. Then by using angle, if two angles or if two corresponding angles are equal in measure, then the two triangles are similar. Let me give you a question. If this angle was 50 and this angle is 70, this angle equals 60 and this angle equal 50. So the triangle ABC, it will be similar with the triangle XYZ.
Yes.
Do we have two triangles here? They will be similar?
لا. هي المفروض angle Y تبقى ب60.
Okay, so we have to find, very good, we have to find the measure of the third angle. I can't say now that they will be similar before you will find the measure of the third angle. So if you will try to find the measure of the third angle, what is the sum of measure angle inside any triangle? What is the sum?
180.
180. So this is 50 and this is 70. Then the third angle, it will be equal 60, right? And we will find the measure of the third angle here. It will be how many? 70.
70.
What do you note? What denotes?
That the
Angle
angles are similar
A,
measure.
yes, with angle X. And we have angle Z, the same measure with angle B. And angle Y, same measure with angle C. So if I want to write the name of the two similar triangle now, they will be what? It will be triangle A, B, C will be similar with A, B, C will be similar with which triangle? Grade 8.
X, Y, Z.
No, it will not be X, Y, Z. It will be
X, Z, Y.
Yes, very good. It will be X, Z, Y. Why يا حلا? Because A congruent with X, B congruent with Z, C congruent with Y. Right?
Okay.
So we have to write them according to the measure for each two corresponding angles. Once you proved that the two triangles are similar, we can write the two sides which they will be proportional. How we will write the sides? It will be AB over what? Over XZ. Then again, it will be what? AB over XZ. What is the second proportion? BC with YZ. Then BC over ZY. What is the third one? AC over XY. And each two corresponding sides, they should be, each two corresponding sides, they should have the same ratio. Like I said, as I said here, 8 over 4 equal 2, 6 over 3 equal 2. So the rest of the lines, they should have the length. When you will simplify each two corresponding sides, they have the same ratio. Understood this part? Each triangle in front of you now. You can see two similar triangles or not, and tell me why. Adam, first the question. Tell me, please. You can see two similar triangles?
No.
No. Okay. Anyone else can want to answer? Agree with Adam or disagree? Adam said that we don't have two similar triangles here. Agree with him?
أنا بقول similar.
Similar.
بس هو number 1 ده two triangles في واحد.
Two triangles. I have triangle A, B, C, and I have triangle E, C, D. So I have one triangle is larger than the other because we are talking about similar, not congruent, right? Now
Yes.
tell me, Jana, you told me, you said no, they are similar. Could you please give me the reason why they are similar, ya Jana?
عشان A B C و D E C يعني زي بعض.
A, B, C, this angle you mean? And which angle?
D.
And angle D? Yes, very good. They are equal. Why they are equal, ya Jana? By which reason?
عشان equal يعني sorry يعني.
From where? You know that those two angles, they should be equal in measure. Because you have what? This sign means what, ya Adam? This sign means what? Yes, very good, very good. So we have parallel lines here. We have two parallel lines, right? Then AB parallel with a DE. And we have a transversal, which is BD. So it looks like you have letter what here? It looks like letter Z. So we have alternate interior angles. What else? Grade 8. So Jana, she found the first pair. Do we have another pair in this figure? Do we have another pair?
A and E.
Yes, by the same way. Very good, Yahala. By the same way, we can say that measure of angle A, it will be equal with measure of angle E, right? They are alternate interior angles. But this time, we will take the transversal. It will be AE. So it seems like we have letter Z from the other side, like this. Did you see? Then we found two corresponding angles are equal in measure, then the two triangles are similar. Also, we can add something. Did you see this angle and this angle? What is the relation between those two angles? What is the relation between those two angles? They are what?
They are both the same.
Yes, they are both the same, which is vertical angles, right? Then we can use a vertical angle and angle B and angle D to verify that they are similar. Or you can use A and E, B and D. So it's up to you. We are looking only for two angles which they are equal in measure to verify that the two triangles are similar. Let's move to figure B. Figure B.
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, please tell me. You can see two triangles are similar here?
In my opinion, it's not similar.
Is not similar. Anyone else can say? You
Not
can
similar.
not similar or similar?
Not.
Not. Huh? Anyone else? Any objection? No. But Miss Sahar, she's going to say, no, we have two similar triangles, which it will be. Please concentrate. Triangle AFE and
And ABC.
triangle ABC. AFE and triangle ABC. Why? Because we have two corresponding angles. We said once we have two parallel lines and we have a transversal, so it seems like letter F, like this. Those are two corresponding angles, right? Then angle AFE, it will be with angle ABC. What else? What else?
E and C.
A, what?
E and C.
Where is M?
E with C.
E with C. Yes, but we can't say E because it's AEF. You want to deal with the other pair with corresponding angles, right? Those two. Did you see?
Yes.
So we have two corresponding angles. Yes, agree with you. Or also we can say, look at angle A in the first triangle, AEF. Second triangle, ACB. So we can say that angle A is reflexive, this one, this angle, by using reflexive property, or we can say it's common angle. It lies in both two triangles. Then we found two angles in the two triangles. They have the same measure. Then the two triangles, they will be similar. Understood? So it's up to you to use the green angle with the green angle and the reflexive angle. Someone else can say, no, I'm looking for the both pair of angles which they have the same measure like this, corresponding angle and corresponding angles, and I'm going to erase the common angle.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes,
But the A angle doesn't have another angle with it.
oh, I said it's reflexive or a common angle. It's the same angle between the two triangles, right? So if this one was 50, for example, so 50 related to both two triangle AFE and ABC, right?
Yes.
So we can count it as two angles. يعني one time in the triangle AFE, the second time in the triangle ABC, right?
Yes.
Okay. The last
Right.
question here in this one. Could you please tell me, you can see two similar triangles here.
Yes.
Which two triangles they will be similar?
DBA و DCE.
Again?
DBA و DCA. sorry.
A, B, D, right? And
Yes.
E,
ECD.
C, D. Yes. Could you please tell me the condition to prove that they are similar? يلا آدم. Tell me the condition to prove that they are similar. You can find two angles between a triangle ABC, ABD, and triangle ECD.
There's two angles.
Yes.
B and C.
B and I can't
C.
say C. I can't say C. I can say ECD. This one.
B
Right?
E C D.
Where is
Yes.
the second condition? Second
A
condition.
A and D.
This one. Did he put a sign over it?
No.
No. So we can say we have
B and D.
angle D is a reflexive angle, which means it's common between the two triangles, right? Then we have angle P and angle ECD, and we have angle D is a common angle or reflexive angle. Then the two triangle ABD and the triangle ECD are similar triangle. Understood?
Yes.
Could you please, Adam, tell me the two triangles which they are similar in number 3? Which two triangles?
A B D and E C D.
A, B, D will be similar with triangle
E C D.
ECD. Jana? ECD. Jana?
Yes.
Could you please tell me the sides which they will be proportional when we prove that the two triangles are similar? Which two sides they will be proportional now?
AUB
AB over
EC.
EC. Yes, AB over AC. And the second?
BD or CD.
BD over
CD.
So AB over EC, it will be equal BD over what? Over CD. Equal AD over ED. AD over ED. Understood this part? Understood?
Yes.